Tools needed: chisel or a flathead screwdriver and a razor blade. And you're gonna need something to catch this glass from the mirror. So I just recommend getting an old bucket and hanging it over the mirror. And you can use a flathead screwdriver or a chisel. I recommend a chisel. So you just use something, get up under there, and just break all the glass off and let it fall into the bucket. That way you won't have nothing to clean up after this. Won't be hurting your foot, getting no flat tires, anything, whatever the case might be. And I'm using a flathead screwdriver. So just get the flathead screwdriver behind the mirror and just press it in until it breaks off. Alright, so once you got all the glasses off, once you got all the glass off on the mirror, you can just spray this down with some alcohol or a glass cleaner, whatever you have, and then just try to scrape as much off as you can. Yeah, use a razor blade to scrape the rest of that glue off the mirror. And you get your new mirror and wipe it down with alcohol on both sides. You like a little cloth to wipe it down with. So when you get done, lay the mirror on its front and put the glue, like I had little tabs of glue, put it on the back of the mirror. Put it on the back of the mirror. And you could tell this is the front because the words are not backwards. And then we're just gonna take this and put it on our car. Put it on my car, I'm sorry. You just take the cloth and just press it down without breaking it. And I just rub it on there pretty good. And that's it, basically.